What's going on, guys? B.Million here from Million Reflections Luxury Automotive Detailing, continuing the lat 26 degrees product lineup reviews. We've already done the boat soap, which go ahead and check out that. We just released that today, so go ahead and check out that review. But we want to go ahead and truck along here and kind of keep it moving here. The first video of the series that we're doing, I kind of talked about the company and how kind of a little bit of the startup of it and all of that. If you have any questions about that, feel free to let me know below, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions. But we want to go ahead and keep on going. I've showed you the boat soap, which basically is the vehicle wash, and how it worked great. I did like it. But now we're going to talk about the lat 26 all-purpose clean. Forgive me, normally you do the tires, the wheels and tires before you go ahead and do the paint of the vehicle, but it's just what I ended up doing. It was what was convenient and just what I ended up doing here. So we want to go ahead and get to it. This is a strong all-purpose cleaner. I am a degreaser fan, but degreaser is basically just a little bit stronger than all-purpose cleaners. And I saw him demo this product, and it worked quite well. So I'm excited to show you guys my thoughts on this product. Now, I did not see it demoed on the wheel or a tire, but I did see it demoed on some painted surfaces and some interior scuffs and all that stuff, and it worked quite well. So I'm going to take you down here. We're going to get right to it. I don't want to go ahead and belabor the point at all. Maybe even bring you in a little bit closer. There you go. Shake it, because if you don't shake it, is it even there? I don't know, whatever. So, one thing I will say is I wish they gave me more product so I could demo more, because this little spray on top is going to get annoying, but you work with what you got, right? Okay, so, yeah, I already knew I would not like this spray nozzle. Yeah, it's just going to be very cumbersome. The smell of the product has a nice cleaner smell to it. It's not aggressive. It's not one of those products that'll make you cough a lung. You know, it definitely, I could smell it. There is definitely a scent to it, but I think it's just because this bottle and me spraying this like crazy is just the part that's aggravating me more than anything. I gotta get my finger and wrist strength up. It has a nice, pleasant smell to it. So let's start with the actual tire. So the more I'm scrubbing it and agitating, the more the smell is reminding me. It's like a household chemical smell, but it is picking up all of the grime very effectively. Now, this is full strength, so that must be kept in mind. Okay, so that's that. I'm going to spray a little bit more on the actual rim. Oh, now the thumb's getting tired. Ugh. Guys, I know you're going to see this review, guys, and so far I really like the product. I just wish it was in a little spray bottle like that. But you can see it's starting to kind of carry it down. You can tell that this cleaner is very, very aggressive, actually. Wow. It's picking up all of this embedded brake dust. Now, I know I told you I cleaned, in a previous video I talked about how I cleaned the hood and the paint of the vehicle but 2 months ago, but I haven't cleaned these rims. It might have even been a year since I've cleaned these rims. So this is very, very old brake dust on here that a lot of times degreasers can't even get off. So look at that. That is disgusting. That is disgusting, guys. Let's rinse it off. So I'm looking around. There's some dirt left behind, but that's just probably from my method that Okay, well, it's drying a bit. I'm gonna let the wheel and the tire dry a little bit, just so I can go ahead and re-agitate and see how much more I can pull off. But so far, my initial reaction, it's good. I really do like it. It is quite strong and quite aggressive, so that I happen to like very much. I'm going to go ahead and rinse my brushes. So let's rinse these bad boys. Rinse them down, rinse them down. Sorry guys, I bust out in spontaneous songs like very, very often. I'm that random guy who busts out in song in the middle of a car. So let's go ahead and let's go at it the tire again, and let's see if I can get any more grime off. Now, like I said, it's been about a year since I've probably cleaned these tires, so I will not be surprised if more comes off. So far, my only complaint is just the stinking bottle and how I have to press it down. But it is what it is, right? Well, golly gee willikers, that looks pretty good. Yeah, let's go ahead and let's try to get the wheel one more time. And let's get it again. I probably would have been better off with a different brush, but it's working, man. It's picking up the stuff that was left behind. Let's rinse it. Alright, rinses pretty easily, just like any other all-purpose cleaner degreaser. My biggest thing was, is it going to pull off the dirt from the wheel, and how well will it affect the tires? And I tell you what, I'm very, very satisfied. It is definitely very strong, and it is definitely very aggressive. If I had a leaf blower or something, I would kind of blow off the tire to see how the tire actually looks, but I'm going to tell you, it's going to look like any standard old tire. This is an old tire, so. But, you know, it is good. I am actually very satisfied with it, and I'm not just saying that because I was given these products. Guys, you can all get a hold of the sample box. I'm not going to go ahead and make it seem like they reached out to me and we're all like, hey, we'll hand you a bunch of products and you can go ahead and make it and say whatever just so you can talk good about us. No, it wasn't actually like that. They actually gave me the same samples that you guys would get if you requested them as well. Now, I do not know the price point of the all-purpose clean. I do know it is on the pricier side. So, if it is worth it to you, this is one of those things where, depending on the price of it, I would dilute it down, definitely. I would be diluting it no matter what. And I would say it probably works very well at a very, very strong, or at a good dilution. So maybe 10 to 1, you'll probably get even some great results if you're maintaining clients' vehicles and you see them once every week, once every couple weeks, you know, and there's maybe 200 or 300 miles in between each. 10 to 1 will probably be very effective. And you can get some good results out of this, guys. I like it. What I'm excited to do is I'm going to do it on the interior, and I'll show you guys using this on the interior scuffs on the door panels and all that. That's where I really, I saw that when the owner did that. He did that with his product, and it was very, very well. Worked very well. So I've used probably, I don't know, maybe like half the bottle on this tire, so I'm just going to leave it at that. But guys, let me know what you think. Leave a comment below. Give me your thoughts and your suggestions, possibly. Once again, Bo Million here from Million Reflections Luxury Automotive Detailing. We're talking about Lat 26, and we're going to keep it going, guys. Please like, share, subscribe for some more great content. And guys, have a wonderful day. Thank you.